Fabric whiteness is a sign of cleanliness. How fabrics appear clean and bright is evolving. As lighting shifts from sunlight to LED, many traditional laundry detergent whitening technologies don't appear the same way they once did. By 2030, LEDs are expected to dominate 87% of indoor light sources. But traditional laundry detergents with optical brighteners rely on UV light, and under LED, they're not activated. That means white fabrics that once looked bright can appear dull, yellowed, or inconsistent indoors. Milliken developed Millibrite to address this shift, a next-generation laundry detergent whitening technology designed for modern light. Using advanced polymer-bound chemistry, Millibrite delivers visibly whiter fabrics under both sunlight and LED conditions. See the difference? Outdoors, both deliver strong whitening performance. But indoors, where consumers live, work, and shop, the difference becomes clear. Millibrite is designed to help formulators deliver performance that consumers can actually see. With controlled polymer deposition, it delivers even, stable fabric whitening without overbluing or buildup. Millibrite is built for real-world formulation needs, helping brands meet performance expectations while aligning with evolving sustainability. By restoring brightness and helping counter yellowing, Millibrite helps garments look newer longer. Supporting longer garment life provides a better economic value to your customers. The future of fabric whitening isn't just brighter, it's smarter, more consistent, and built for the way we live today. Millibrite, fabric whiteness that performs under any light.